Hi, I'm Ben from the cell phone broker in San Jose. I had someone ask me a couple days ago if it's possible to install Windows operating system on a Blackberry device. And the answer to that is simply no. Blackberry devices are shipped with Blackberry software, and the Blackberry software is a very straightforward operating system that is designed for use on the Blackberry hardware. The hardware inside of the Blackberry phone, the CPU, which is the central processing unit, and the amount of RAM, the memory that's on the phone, it will not support the Windows operating system, and the phone is basically just not designed for it. So this is the Blackberry operating system. You're going to notice that it has a bunch of icons on here, and the first one being messages, email, contact list, internet, and so on and so forth. I feel that the Blackberry is actually a stronger operating system than the Windows operating system for a couple of reasons. The first one being that the Blackberry operating system and the Blackberry device itself is very fast in terms of operation. Second being, your email comes through right away. It's called push email, and it comes through as soon as the person on the other end hits the send key. It goes straight to your phone, almost faster than it will go to your mail inbox. Windows doesn't really have that option right now. They have a similar option where it'll come through every 5 minutes or every half hour. Your email will get sent through at that time, but on the Blackberry it comes through straight away. So the Blackberry also has easier operation. Everything is a little bit easier. It's pretty straightforward and it's right in front of you, as where Windows you have to go find certain things when you want to change settings or you want to go and set up something. You have to go and find those options before you can make something happen. I'm Ben from the cell phone broker. That's how you would install Windows operating system on a Blackberry. Thanks for watching.